Hey there, busy bees! Today we're diving into some quick and healthy food hacks that will save you time and keep you energized. Listen, I get it. You're rushing out the door, juggling a million things, and the last thing you have time for is slaving away in the kitchen. But that doesn't mean you have to resort to dodgy takeout or, God forbid, those microwave meals. We're talking proper food, packed with flavor and good stuff, all made easy. Get ready to transform your hectic schedule and become a kitchen ninja with these simple, delicious hacks. Ever felt like you need an extra pair of hands just to get through the day? Well, you're not alone. We've all been there, racing against the clock, trying to tick off a million things at once. It's chaos, I tell you. And in the midst of all that madness, who has time to cook a decent meal? You deserve better than a sad wilted salad or a greasy takeaway. That's why we're arming you with some culinary cunning, some kitchen wizardry to help you whip up quick, healthy meals even on your busiest days. Let's kick things off with breakfast, the most important meal of the bloody day. And what better way to start than with overnight oats? This is so simple, even a donkey could do it. Grab your favorite jar, chuck in some oats, your choice of milk, almond, coconut, cow's milk, whatever tickles your fancy. And let your imagination run wild with toppings. Chia seeds, flax seeds, chopped nuts, berries, a drizzle of honey. Go on, get creative. Pop it in the fridge overnight, and boom! Breakfast is sorted before you even open your eyes. Chapter 3. Now, on to lunch. Let's be honest, packed lunches can be a bit boring, but not anymore. We're banishing those sad, soggy sandwiches and introducing you to the magic of mason jar salads. Start with your dressing at the bottom, then layer on your heavier veggies like chopped peppers or cucumbers, followed by grains like quinoa or rice, some protein, grilled chicken, chickpeas, tofu, whatever you fancy, and top it off with leafy greens. Screw the lid on tight, and when you're ready to eat, just give it a good shake and voila! A fresh, flavorful, and filling salad that will make your colleagues green with envy. Chapter 4. Now, let's talk snacks. When those afternoon cravings hit, you need something to keep you going. And no, I'm not talking about those sugary, processed monstrosities. Energy balls are your new best friend. Dates, nuts, a bit of cocoa powder, that's all you need. Blitz them up in a food processor, roll them into balls, and you've got a tasty, nutritious snack that will give you a proper energy boost. Keep a batch in your bag or desk drawer, and you'll be ready to tackle anything. Chapter 5. Dinner time, and you're exhausted. I feel you, but don't even think about reaching for the takeaway menu. We're keeping things super simple with a one-pan wonder. Chop up your favorite veggies, broccoli, peppers, onions, whatever you've got. Toss them on a baking sheet with some protein, chicken breast, salmon, tofu. Drizzle with olive oil, season generously, and bung it in the oven. Easy, healthy, and minimal cleanup? Now that's what I'm talking about. There you have it, folks. Quick and healthy food hacks to keep you fueled and ready to conquer your busy day. No more excuses for reaching for unhealthy, processed rubbish. You can enjoy delicious, nutritious food even when you're short on time. It's all about being organized, being prepared, and having a few tricks up your sleeve. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more awesome tips. Now go forth and conquer that kitchen.